On a count of 3, 2, 1, everything shifts. The weight breaks. The power of God rushes in towards you like a tidal wave. This is not a slow restoration. This is a restoration moving in speed your past can outturn. Your enemies can't stop. This season, God not just answers, He overwhelms you. Where closed doors now swing open, where the impossible become your new normal. Get ready. Every promise is activating. Stay ready because God is about to blow your mind in ways you didn't even have faith to ask for.